Good morning, everyone. We are going snowboarding today. You guys stoked?
So stoked.
All right, we made it. We're at Tamarack. It is beautiful here. It's gonna be a good day of snowboarding.
Boring. Oh wait, we're both doing the same thing.
It's a video. Well, I just got myself stuck in powder. It was really tiring. I really don't want to do that again. It was my second time today.
What up?
Johnny! Yeah. Johnny! Yep, got it on film. Where's your daddy? Oh, there he is. Oh man, it's so nice up here. Look at this snow. It is lunchtime.
Oh yeah.
Chicken strips, burgers, Trevor's, and Aaron's. Just finished eating lunch. It's nap time. I'm tired. Good night. Well, it is a ton of fun. We keep getting stuck in the powder though, but it's worth it. It's nice. It's awesome. Austin just got stuck. Morgan just got stuck. If you've never skied or snowboarded, getting stuck in powder and climbing out is like one of the most tiring things ever.
Snowboarded?
Snowboarded? If you've never skied or snowboarded?
Snowboarded? Is that a word?
See ya, boys.
Snowboarded?
Past tense of snowboard?
I don't know.
All right. Maybe I'll probably freeze my hands off, but maybe I'll get some. Huh?
You're gonna ride like that?
Yeah, I'm thinking about it. All right, we're all done snowboarding. It's been a good day. It just got better and better as we went along. It is time to head home now.